This is Manisha Pradeep Khere, Faculty of Rasiklal M. Dhariwal College of Pharmacy, continues with the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. Government Analyst. The state government, by notifying in the official gazettes, appoints government analyst under subsection 1 of the section 20 of this act for the analysis and testing of sample of drugs and cosmetics in drug control laboratories. Central government may also appoint government analysts for specified categories of the drug or cosmetics under subsection 2 of the section 20 of this act. A person to be appointed as government analyst should have no financial interest in the import, manufacturing or sale of the drugs or cosmetic. Government analyst for Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani drug is appointed by state and central government under section 33F of this act. Qualification for a government analyst. A person appointed as a government analyst should possess the following qualification. First, a graduate in medicine or science or pharmacy or pharmaceutical chemistry of a recognized university with not less than 5 years postgraduate experience in the testing of drugs. Second, a postgraduate degree in medicine or science or pharmacy or pharmaceutical chemistry of a recognized university with not less than 3 years experience, or associateship diploma of the institution of chemist with analysis of drug and pharmaceuticals as one of the subject with not less than 3 years experience in the testing of drugs in a laboratory under the control of government analyst. And second, head of an institution or testing laboratory approved for the purpose by the appointing authority. Provided that for the purpose of testing or analysis of drugs specified in Schedule C, a person to be appointed should produce evidence of satisfactory training in physiology, bacteriology or serology or pathology or pharmacology or microbiology and should have the said experience. Then, for a period of 4 years from the day on which the Chapter 4 of the Act, that is manufacturing, sale and distribution of drug and cosmetics, take effect in the states, person whose training and experience are considered adequate and competence may be appointed as government analyst, and such a person may be continued as service after 4 years also. A person to be appointed as government analyst should not be engaged directly or indirectly in trade or business connected with the manufacturing of drugs. For the purpose of examination of the veterinary biological products, the person appointed as government analyst should be graduate in veterinary science or general science or medicine or pharmacy, with not less than 5 years experience in the standardization of biological products, or a person having postgraduate degree in above faculties with not less than 3 years said experience. The person already appointed as government analyst may continue to remain in service if the appointing authority so desires, even though he does not fulfill the said qualification. Duties of government analyst. First, to analyze or test the sample of drug and cosmetic sent to him by drug inspector or other persons and to furnish the reports of the results of such an analysis or test. Second, to forward to the government the reports of analytical and research work with a view of their publication at the discretion of the government. Procedure on receipt of samples, which is followed by government analyst. First, on receipt of the packages of a sample from drug inspector, the government analyst compares the seal on the packages with the specimen impression of the seal received separately and notes the condition of seals on the packages. On completion of test or analysis, he supplies to the inspector a report of analysis in triplicate in Form 13 together with full protocol of the test applied. If purchaser wants to analyze or test drug or cosmetic, he has to make an application for test or analysis in Form 14A accompanied with prescribed fees, and the report of the test or analysis of such a drugs or cosmetic is to be supplied in Form 14B by government analyst. Licensing authority. Central government appoints an authority called licensing authority to issue the license for import of drugs. Then each state government appoint licensing authority to issue license for manufacturing, distribution and sale of drugs and cosmetics for a specified area. Then we will see functions of licensing authority. First, they issue license for import of drugs. Second, they issue license for manufacturing, distribution and sale of drugs and cosmetics. Third, they can issue or refuse license depending upon whether the applicant satisfies the condition prescribed or not. Then the licensing authority is empowered to cancel or suspend the license issued by them if authority fails to observe any condition of license after giving reasonable opportunity to explain their cases. Then provisions relating to sale of drugs. Drugs and Cosmetic Act provides sale of the drug only on issue of the license. State government appoint licensing authority for a specified area to issue the license for sale, stock or exhibit for sale or distribute drugs. Applicant has to make an application in a prescribed form for grant of license. Then granted license should be renewed within 6 months of its expiry. Then application for grant or renewal of license for sale of drugs, category of drugs and form number. First, for the drugs other than specified in Schedule X, form number 19. Second, for restricted license, form number 19A. Third, for wholesale or distribute drugs from a motor vehicle, form number 19AA. And fourth, for Schedule X drugs, form number 19C. Then forms of license. In that, license issued for retail, then for restricted sale, for wholesale and wholesale for distribution from motor vehicle. In that first, forms for drugs other than C, C1 and X, for retail 20, for restricted 20A, for wholesale 20B and for wholesale or distribution from motor vehicle, form number 20BB. Then forms for drugs specified in Schedule C, C1 for retail, form number 21, for restricted 21A, for wholesale 21B and wholesale or distribution from motor vehicle, form number 21BB. Then license issued for the forms for drugs specified in Schedule X for retail 20F and for wholesale 20G. Thank you.